Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SJ here, and today we are going to be using a bright all night energizing sheet mask. I got that out of February's Boxycharms, and definitely it is definitely worth the subscription. How many times did I just say definitely? Really? Y'all know what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna try this out. It says to cleanse the skin, carefully unfold mask and apply to face, leave on 10 minutes, and then massage in the rest, and then, of course, rinse your face. Let's get started. All right, here is me with the mask on. Yeah, okay. All right, Alexa, let's get this timer. 10 minutes. I'll be back. All right, YouTube fam, I am back. Now, I have taken off the mask. I washed my face because I actually got in a shower. Taking it off. As usual, your face always feels smooth after a mask. Well, with that particular mask, it didn't last very long at all. It kind of got a little rough feeling to me. But in this month's Boxycharm, this no pore phlegm primer. I put this on my face. This is one of the best primers I've tried. I can still feel it on my face. It feels like a smooth thing. I can tell there's something on my face that's protecting it. I think this may be the one. I will see. I'm going to put me some foundation on and go from there. But this, sometimes you know how you just spray it on there, you get the primer and you just know it went on, but you kind of don't feel it. Or if you have one that you can rub in, you know you put it on, but you don't kind of feel it. This one, I feel it. I like the way it feels. I like the way it's treating my skin, especially when I'm around here, when I'm feeling all kind of tight, dry and stuff. Not with this one. I'm liking this already. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and call it a day because I've done my nighttime routine that I wanted to do. And I will see y'all in my next video because I want to share with you my pizza box makeup. All right? And see you in a minute. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure you hit the notification button so that you can see it when it comes out. Because you know how I am about makeup. If you don't catch me on Makeup Mondays on my Snap channel, you may not catch me doing anything. All right, y'all take care. Have a great week.